Tariki cia umuthi cikiingira mathikoini ma uririkano kuona ni muthenya uria Thii ngima enyitanire gucakaya na kugira uhoro njorua ya mahenya ma gutua ngongo Kelvin Kiptum uria uthikirwo mucii kwa itura ria Chepkorio county ya Uasin Gishu kuria atongoria nguthi ituri-ini cia Thii ngima ta munene wa ateng'eri Thii ngima Ko, munini wa mutongoria wa Naik Brett, mutongoria wa bururi President William Ruto na munini wa Rigathi wa Gachagua nimeguikinyitie kumagaria njata ino ya Thii.
Your promise as an athlete was immense, and your athletic journey was so inspiring and full of hope. The Chicago Marathon, world's record-breaking performance, was just the beginning. And even breaking the 2-hour barrier was an intermediate step in your mindset.
That a young life that had in so few years scaled the highest peaks of athletics achievement is prevented from even greater exploits is a cause of intense sadness.
Na hari guteithia nguthi ino ya mathako, President William Ruto niranire ni kuhingia mamwe ma mawendi ma ateng'eri na njira ya kumakira iharo na kumahe kigina gia kumahura njeki hari mehaririria mao.
To confirm to you that the stadium you have asked for, all the other facilities, the training centers you have asked for will now become a possibility, because we have secured funding for it.
Minister Nyafara duduine ya Minister Musalia Mudavadi onake nerekereirie ndumiriri yake ya macakaya kumireria family na gucokeria thirikari ngatho ni gutigirira ni arumbuya miturire ya athaki.
First is to take this opportunity at a personal level to convey our deepest condolences to the family of Kelvin Kiptum, a flame that has been blown out by an unfortunate accident. We wish to recognize and appreciate your government because you have provided a strong, peaceful and stable and secure environment.
Na hari gutigagira miturire ya ateng'eri bururi-ini no yathie na mbere riri miaka yao ya kuhuruka wira-ini wao ya thirathira. Mutongoria wa bururi niranire kigina kiria mariheagwo gia pension niguo kumahura njeki mathikoini mao mathutha-ini.
We didn't have a dedicated proper fund for managing sports in Kenya. That's why we came up with a sports fund. Unfortunately, along the way, 60% of that fund was taken to do other things.
Na niguo gutigirira ati gitio giake oro hamwe na ngumo yake ni atwarithio na mbere bururi-ini urehoka ati recodi iria areregireire gubuja ni ya fujo oro ringi.
Particularly for the family and for the people of this area and Kenyans and the athletics community, we can only wish and pray that the record that Kiptum was planning to break shall one day be broken.
Girifotera Muthingi TV geto wa Erimu.